Next slide po natin mga ka-person ito. 2023 Nissan Rogue. Automatic all-wheel drive. Number of cylinder po niya is 3. Version po niya is SV Midnight. Odometer po niya is 37,333 km. 96 months to pay or 8 years to pay. 123 tax included. Ayun. 123 tax included. Black color. Then, nakasimitanted din po yung kanyang salamin. SV all-wheel drive midnight. Full sunroof, check. Leather seat, check. 5-seater seat, check. Then, meron din siyang kasamang cover. And then, yung spare tire niya, accessories, ayun. And then, nandito yung kanyang summer matting. Summer matting. Then, check natin yung kanyang interior dito sa likod. Ayan. Interior po niya rito sa likuran is ganito po siya. Leather seat. Full sunroof. Heated seat din po siya rito. And then may charging area. Naka-winter matting na rin po siya. And then same time meron siyang net. Yan, kung ayaw mo nang mainit, kung mainitan yung mga anak mo yon, gamitin mo to. Protector. Ayun. And then, interior po niya in front is ganito po siya. Ayan. Full sunroof check. Naka-winter matting na rin po siya. Whoops! Then, yung adjustan po ng kanyang upuan is dito po siya. Pwede mo siyang move forward, back forward, up and down. Ayan. Ayan, maaraw na. Ito po yung kanyang susi, yon 2023 Nissan Rogue. And then, sa mismong susi po niya, meron po siyang remote starter. Yan, then, press button start. Maaraw pero malamig. Ayun. Off natin yung kanyang fan. Ayan. Ayan. Heated seat po niya dito. Magkabilaan. Check. And then, hot steering wheel. Ayun. Check. Parking brake po niya ito. Dipindot po siya. And then, meron siya nito. Economy. Ayan. Then, lagayan ng drinks. Same time, reverse camera yon. Clear na clear po yung kanyang reverse camera. Then, meron po siyang guide dito. Then, park, ayun, dipindot po siya. Then, yung kanyang may huwagang box. 5-seater seat, leather seat. And then, yung kanyang manuals. Special tools, and then, naka-winter matting. And then, may shifter po siyang maliit dito. Sa magkabilang side. Shifter. Then, distance, cross control, ayan, low kilometer, and then touchscreen din po to. Touchscreen, ayan. O, diba? Ulitin ko lang yung reverse camera niya. Ayan, clear na clear po yung kanyang reverse camera. Ayan, so ulitin ko lang po, 2023 Nissan Rogue. Automatic all-wheel drive, number of cylinder po niya is 3, version po niya is SV Midnight, odometer po niya is yun, 37,347 km, 8 years to pay or 96 months to pay, 123 tax included. First change oil po niya is free, unang salpak din po ng kanyang summer tires libre, then naka full warranty din po siya, kasama engine and transmission, towing, electrical, and then yung dashboard ng yung sasakyan. Then may lagayan ka ng shade or eyeglasses dito. Then full sunroof. Hindi ko na i-open. Baka bumagsak yung snow. Maglilinis pa tayo ng snow. Ayan. Black color. Ito po siya mga ka-person. Ayun. So once again, 2023 Nissan Rogue. 96 months to pay or 8 years to pay. 123 tax included. Pa-PM na lang po kung sinong may gusto nito and then we'll process. Thank you!